web page about RoseWood Marketing, and this is my professional e-commerce or business website about RoseWood Marketing, and this is my self-design logos about that. And on my homepage, I have some pictures along with the products, and then there's your premier source for room dividers and rosewood furniture. And then there's some introduction about the web is the web premier source for authentic Asian furniture, accents, and decorating accessories. And from our location, we have been importing, packing, and shipping a vast of range of Japanese, Chinese, and Thai home furnishings for over 20 years. And we also provide a remarkable resource for innovative interiors designers and creative home decorators in the United States, Canada, and abroad as well. Our offer range from simple, practical, affordable, Zen-style Japanese furniture, and then bamboos and elegance and so on. And we strive to provide an unmatched values, sourcing some of the world's most beautiful home decors and offering it to our customers at some of the lowest price anywhere. And we have the satisfactions guarantee. Place order in our website securely through our state-of-the-art websites or call one of the experienced professional customer service responsibilities at. You can also contact us by online and or email us on this address with any questions. And then on the about page, and I have some rosewood products here, and then it says like Chinese furniture and art showroom, and then there's some background history about our company and the address and the hours right here, and then you can call us with some questions for the phone number and also the emails. And our mission is beautiful, standable, and unique. RoseWood Market's furniture adds an element of wood, beautiful, and distinctness by other types of manufacturing outdoor furniture. And there's quality, experience, and value. You can read through it in our website. And then on our products page, and each product, and I have the name for that, and you can add it to your cart, and once you add it, you can continue shopping, or you can just click on the one of the products, and then it will read you the descriptions of the product and what it is, and you can just buy it now or add to your cart, or you add to the wish list later. And then there's some pictures about one of the products, and you can click this button and you can go up to there, and each one is the same, and then you can just do the same thing. And there's some products showing right here. And then for the weekly special, I have some specials list on here. It's just for some examples. And then there's the name for that, and the product number, and the dimensions of the products, and the description for one of them. For example, for this one right here, it's the well-known in Chinese cultures, the quanquns and the pine trees are painted to symbolize the longevity. And then there's a price showing here. You can just add to your cart, and then you can continue shopping, or you can either check out, and then you can just go back, and then you can add to your wish list, and then it will show your item has been added to your wish list. And when we go to the weekly specials, and when you buy it now, and then it will show the information. You can write your name, address, cities, or some information that you want to ship it to, and then there's some the payment methods that you can use on our website. And then if you want to pay by PayPal, and then just email your PayPal accounts, emails, and your password, and then you can click this if it is your private computer. And if you forgot your emails, you can click this link and it will link you to the PayPal rosewoodmarket.com, and then you can reset your password right here, and then you can either pay with credit card or debit cards with Visa, Master, Discover, American Express. As the privacy notice page, and on this page it says the top of this page says rosewoodmarket.com privacy notice. The rosewoodmarket.com knows that you care how information about you is used and shared, and we appreciate your trust that we will do our so carefully and sensibly. This notice describes our privacy policy. By visiting rosewoodmarket.com, you are accepting the practice described in this privacy notice. And there's two ways to show this notice, and the information you give us or the automatic information. And the information you want us to know, and we receive and store any information you enter on our website and give us in any way. You can choose not to provide certain information, but then you might not able to take advantage of many of our features. We use the information that you provide for such purposes as responding to your requests, customizing future shoppings for you, improving our stores, and communicating with you, and we do not share information with others. And we receive and store certain type of information whenever you interact with us. For example, like many web pages, we use cookies. We attempt certain type of information when your web browser accesses rosewoodmarket.com. And there's advertisements and other content served by or on behalf of rosewoodmarket.com on other websites. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This is my project on this course for IT commerce. Thank you. And then you can use some promotion codes here and then click apply, and then you can buy it now. Either you can just go back, and for the discount, I have some discount item right here to show the names and the original price and the discount price for some of the items. You can just add to cart if you want like one of them. You can just add to cart and then continue shopping, and then this link to the frequent asked question. For example, this question like, what payment method can I use for my purchase? And we accept MasterCard, Visa, Discover, American Express, PayPal, and so on. And how do I know if the item is still in stock? You can call us, or you can just see it through the website, or you have one more question, you can reach us on this phone number, or you can just contact us by email. This email address right here, email address right here, or you can just mail us, and there's ours and fax number and email address, phone number, and you can just sign up for you want you want the information, this name, company, address, cities, or so on, and you just send. When you finish all the things, you can have to send it. And then when you contact us, this is the contact us page actually, so you can just contact us by these like different ways of, you can just fax number, email address, and you can just write down your information. We will get to you when we reach you. And then on the first page, on the home page, on the top of them, you can just have the search function. When you have some product you want to search right here, or the product number, you can just write it down here and then click search, and then it will lead you to the page. And this phone number, and if you have account already, you can just sign in right here for your address, email address, password. And you can just click stay sign in. If you want to stay sign in, then you can click sign. If you are new to Rosewood Market, you can just register. Click register your first name, last name, email, and create the password, clicking submit, and then you can submit it. And there's also contact us page right here, and also you can subscribe to our newspaper. You can enter emails and your options. There's some options right here, and then you can just subscribe, and then you really use subscribe. And here it will show you to your shopping cart. If there's nothing, there's no items in your shopping cart, and it will ask you to return to the previous page to make a session. Otherwise, if you have something on your cart, you can just write checkout right here, right this bottom right here, and then your information which I have introduced before. And also this on the bottom, and US copyright is 2020 RoseWood Market and all rights reserved. And this website is just for project for ITS e-commerce course. And it's also there's a affiliations page right here, and then there's some company right here. I didn't list more of them, I just list 5 of them. And products, we have introduced that already. And the customer reviews, and there's some customer reviews right here. Those customers both bought these products on 2015 on March 25th, and the recommends is yes, this was exactly what I needed. It's pretty. And then also another reviews from another customer. And then also this page also provides